Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, kindly consider subscribing. If you're a comeback subscriber, thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. As you can see, sorry I didn't tell you that I'll be traveling to the village. Yes, you're currently in the village where I was born, so I came with my daughter. As you can see, she's playing with the chicken here. She's having fun. Yeah, and it's too cold here. It's too cold, so we have to wear on jackets, sweaters, jumpers every time. Yeah, my daughter is really having fun there, playing with the chicken, chasing them. That's my grandma's house. Hey, that's her kitchen. This is my great grandma's house. Then we have a shop there. Yes, baby? Yeah, it's now clean. There is my daughter. And you see this building, this one. That's for my late grandpa. And they're up. Yeah, here. That's my uncle's house. And then we have another one there. That's my uncle's house. So guys, you remember I washed clothes yesterday. That's my brother. I washed clothes yesterday and they're still wet. They're still not dry. Yeah, climate here. I love the nature on that side. And yeah, so this is my father's house. So guys, on the other side, yeah, that's our house there, and my dad's house. This is now my grandma's house. We're now heading to my uncle's house. Is there? Bring your hand. Sorry. Beautiful. Oh, yeah. This is my uncle's house. One of my uncles. And then, what's this? No, baby. Yeah, and here's another uncle of mine. His house now. So we're on the upper side, and that's how we can view the lower side. In fact, our home is not far from Mount Kenya. Yeah, you can see it looks kind of rainy. So guys, this is where I was brought up. Guys, we're climbing. You see, we came all the way. No, you can't even see my dad's house. You can only see my two uncles' houses. So we are now inside the forest. So beautiful. So beautiful. Let's go, honey. Huh? Nini? This is the farthest I can come. Mom. Yes. Mommy. Yeah. How pretty this place. How beautiful. This is so pretty. And I'm here with my daughter. Hey, baby. Hey. Guys, it's too cold here. We're not so far from the mountain, like I said earlier. We go back. She loves flowers. You want more flowers? Okay, let's go look for some. And guys, it's not like I have something. It's a pimple. I really have so many of them because of climate change. Actually, my grandma is somewhere there farming. I'm not a bad person, but I was left at home cooking for the people. Yes. There, I don't know if you can see clearly. I can't go to that end. That's a coffee plantation. Yeah, that's coffee plantation. And now on those mountains, the farthest end, those mountains there. Yeah, like this one now there. That's where we have a tea plantation. I should have gone closer, but let me just stick around home because I have some chores to do. Yeah, this is the farthest I could go, guys. But once again, when I'm back here, because tomorrow I'll be going back to Mombasa. When I'll be back again here, I'll make sure to give you good content and go to at least up the mountain. Yeah, that will be better. So we've come all the way from there. That's the forest. I don't know how they call it, but I know it's a forest where we get firewood and all that. This is napier grass. I'm sure you guys know. This is what we used to feed our sheep, goats and cows. Yeah, we have some kales plantations, kumawiki. Yeah. This is blackjack. And we have maize over here. And more napier grass over there. Oh guys, and we have beans. These are beans in between the maize. Someone here is so afraid. She wants to be carried because she can't come down alone. What a coward. You're such a coward, mommy. Yes, you're a coward. You're a coward, right? Cindy. Clearly, she couldn't come down here alone, but coming up, it's easier. And guess what, guys? We're back home. We are back home. So that was it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Kindly subscribe, hit the like button, share.